Hey, it's Keith from Vector OffRoad. We're gonna do a really quick install demo video on our Bronco e-dock. So first off, you're gonna need from your Bronco toolkit, your ratchet and this IP30 Torx adapter. And we're gonna need to remove this bolt and this bolt from your grab handles here from both sides of the dock. So go ahead and use your tool and loosen those, pull them all the way out. Once the factory bolts are removed, take the plastic spacers and put one in each of your holes. Then take the side bracket. Make sure you've got the right bracket for the right side. Okay. Take your metric bolts and washers, slide them through, then guide them carefully into the hole. Start them by hand, make sure you've got good thread engagement. Then once you've got them started in place, tighten them to 40 inch-pounds using a 4mm Allen key. After that side's complete, I come over to the driver's side. I follow the same exact steps. I put in my spacers, I use my bolts, 40 inch-pounds to attach this bracket. Now that I've got brackets on both sides, I'm ready to place the e-dock bar into the vehicle. Bring the two portion of your e-dock into place. The tabs on the e-dock go over on top of the brackets. Align the standoff in the middle with your accessory ready threaded port on your Bronco. Use the longest bolt in your hardware kit. It's a 1/4 bolt with the washer. Go through the standoff, get it lined up with your accessory port, thread it in by hand, keep it loose until we get the outside bolts into place. In your hardware kit, you're gonna have a 3/4 inch long button head bolt and a lock nut. Okay, drop it through the slot in the dock and through the bracket, and then your lock nut goes underneath. If you need to, you can loosen these bolts a little bit just to get a little more adjustment to get this bolt started. Once you've got the nut and the bolt on both sides of your e-dock, it's time to tighten. You can use a ratcheting wrench or even just a regular box end wrench with your 5/32 or even 4mm Allen key, and just tighten these up. Then proceed to tighten your center mount and re-snug up your outer bolts if you need to. At that point, your install is done and you're ready for clamps and other accessories.